Frittatas are easy to prepare and are delicious served either warm or cold. This recipe includes potatoes, which gives the frittata some substance, some Portuguese linguica sausage that is so delicious with eggs and potatoes and adds amazing flavor, and some kale. Kale also pairs well with potatoes and sausage. However, you could always serve the frittata with a kale salad if you prefer. Since I like to let my appliances do as much work as possible, I'm going to use several different modes in my steam oven for the preparation of this frittata. I will begin with the steam mode to steam the potatoes for about 12 to 15 minutes. Par cooking the potatoes ensures they'll be properly cooked. The kale is also best if it is quickly blanched to soften it. When blanching in the steam oven, just place the vegetables in a perforated pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes in the steam mode. Immerse the blanched vegetables in cold water to stop them cooking, and then wring the water out before continuing with the cooking. No saucepans, just 2 containers. It's so easy. Next, change the oven mode and increase the oven temperature for baking the frittata. I'm using a low humidity setting for baking in my steam oven. However, you can use the combination convection steam mode if you don't have an option for variable humidity settings. To prepare the frittata for baking, sauté some sliced shallots in olive oil, then stir in the par-cooked potatoes and prepped sausage and cook over moderate heat for a few minutes. Stir in the kale and cook the vegetables for a few minutes longer. Now it's time to add the eggs and finally a sprinkling of cheese. I'm going to transfer the pan to the oven to finish baking. In approximately 25 to 30 minutes, your delicious frittata will be ready to devour. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.